This is the story of Mohan, a master jeweler whose life was dedicated to creating beauty. His hands shaped gold, his mind envisioned intricate designs, and his craftsmanship turned simple metal into timeless treasures. He was known as a master jeweler, a man whose skill had no equal. But there was one thing he always postponed: teaching his son the art he had spent a lifetime perfecting. He always thought, one day when Araf is older, I'll teach him. There's plenty of time. But days turned into years. Each time Mohan thought about teaching Araf, something else seemed more urgent. Orders had to be completed. Clients had to be met. And, of course, there would always be more time. Or so he believed. Araf had grown up watching his father work, but he had never been invited to sit beside him, never been taught the secrets hidden within those skillful hands. He had found his own interests, ones that had nothing to do with jewelry. One evening, as Mohan held a delicate ring, his hands trembled. The stone slipped, rolling across the table. He blinked, trying to focus, but the design blurred before his eyes. He sighed, realizing the truth he had avoided for too long. His hands were no longer steady, his eyesight no longer sharp. The time had come, but had it passed? Araf, now a man of his own choices, gently responded, "Papa, I appreciate it, but jewelry isn't my path. I'm running my own business now. It's just not something I want to do." Mohan's smile faded slightly. He nodded, forcing himself to understand, but his eyes reflected the weight of his realization. The knowledge he had cherished, the legacy he had built with his hands. It had no heir. Not because Araf was unwilling, but because Mohan had waited too long. Time is a silent thief. It never announces its departure. It simply leaves, taking opportunities with it. Mohan had spent a lifetime thinking tomorrow was guaranteed, only to realize that tomorrow had silently slipped away. But the beauty of stories like Mohan's is that they remind us to act today. Don't wait to say what needs to be said. Don't delay teaching, learning, or spending time with the ones who matter. Because time once gone never returns. The best time to learn is now. Be curious, ask questions, and seek wisdom from those who came before you. In today's fast-paced world, don't let time slip away. Balance career, family, and responsibilities while cherishing relationships and passing down valuable lessons. True success isn't just measured by wealth or achievements, but by the knowledge and values you share. So think ahead and make time for mentorship. Your experiences and wisdom hold meaning only when they are passed on. So take the time to teach, guide, and inspire others before it's too late. Time waits for no one. Act today, because the moments you postpone may never return. If this story touched your heart, like the video to spread the message. Share in the comments. What's one thing you won't postpone anymore? Subscribe for more meaningful stories that inspire change and self-growth. Don't let time slip away. Take action now.